step is to set up the sites of operation. Once the sites are acquired, the obstructions and utilities are bypassed temporarily for site operations to proceed without hindrance. The traffic and pedestrian movements are bypassed. The site is mobilized for operation and all required logistics are put in place. To commence the first tunneling drive from Subhas Sarobar site, the cut and cover methodology is adopted. First, a guide wall is constructed to define the exact layout of the diaphragm wall, commonly known as D-wall. Excavation for each D-wall panel is done using a hydraulic rig to a depth which depends on design requirements. During the excavation in grab operation, while the excavated soil is progressively removed from the trench by grab and loaded into the disposal area, bentonite slurry is continuously supplied to maintain slurry level for trench stability. The stop ends are lowered. The reinforcement cage fabricated on the ground is lowered using cranes, maintaining the vertical alignment. The couplers are fitted to be left open to join with slab rebars at a later stage. Concrete is poured through tremie pipes. The process is repeated in panel sets to create an interlocking D-wall along the guide wall alignment. Excavations for slabs are done within the D-wall zone. On reaching a certain depth, the first slab, called the roof slab, is constructed with temporary openings for access. The rebars of the slab are coupled to the couplers of the D-wall, left open previously. Small size excavators are used for excavation below the roof slab. As more depth is obtained, temporary structural supports are provided to counter the soil load on D-wall. The base slab is constructed similarly as per the requirement of the site. Excavation and construction of the ramp side is completed. To create the elevated viaduct, piles are constructed by boring holes, placing the rebar cage and pouring concrete. Pile cap is created and then piers are constructed over the pile cap. Pier constructions of different heights are done to extend the ramp above the ground to the desired height. The ramp is connected to the elevated viaduct constructed by other contractors. Precast parapet walls and railings are laid to complete the construction process for the elevated portion. Shear connectors are left open as per requirement.